Hey everybody, Kevin Walters here with Kevin's Auto Channel. And yes, I'm feeling better. I know I've been gone for a while. No, I did not have COVID. But hey, a little rest, a little relaxation later, and I'm back. So today I want to talk about bed liners, more specifically the spray-on kind. Now, in my 2019 Silverado RST, mine came with the bed and protection package. As you can see, the Chevrolet emblem right there in the center. So my bed liner was sprayed directly from GM. So far, it has been great. But it is a $1,000 upgrade. Now, my dad's 2019 Silverado 2500 HD diesel did not have any type of bed protection in it whatsoever. It's just a plain old work truck. So, last week, we took it and had it sprayed by Line-X. So, let's compare the two and see, should you pay a little over $500 for the Line-X, or should you go with the bed and protection package from GM for about $1,000? Let's dive in, see what the differences are, and see which one is right for you. So let's start with GM's bed and protection package. So why is it a $1,000 upgrade for a Silverado to get this package? Well, number one, you are getting a spray-in bed liner and not a drop-in. There is a big difference between the two. As with a drop-in, water can get up underneath it and begin to rust out your bed. As with a spray-on, there's no chance of water getting in. It actually seals the bed, so it is more protected. Now, let's take a look at this here. As you can see, and here, it's got a little bit of grit to it to keep things in place. It's got a nice depth to it. It's probably at least a 1/4 inch thick. So it's very less likely that something would chip it up and damage it. And another good thing about it is, as you can see, they actually take the time to spray the hooks also, so everything is nice and coated. There are no spots. Of course, you've got to love that bow tie right in the center and along through here. Everything is nice and seamless. Now, as you can see right here, this is also part of the $1,000 bed and protection package. So you also get a 120 volt outlet, as well as LED lighting to shine back up into the bed, which is very nice if you're moving at night or having to unload something at night. You will be able to see what you are doing. Now, I've had this truck for a year and a half now. Yeah, going on a year and a half. And I'm happy to say that I have not had any problems with it. You say, well, Kevin, what do you haul in the back of your truck? Well, I'm glad you asked. Because of the nonprofit that I work for, some big box retailers donate to us. So a couple times a week, I am hauling pallets in the back of this truck. So forklifts are constantly putting on pallets, and then they're unloaded by hand. And as you can see, no scrapes, no scuffs, no dings, no dents. So far, it is holding up very well. Now, here is my dad's 2500 diesel with Line-X. Now, they sprayed this last week and they told us to allow 21 days for it to fully cure. So far, it's already nice and hard. It also has a nice grip to it so that things won't slide around in the back of it. As far as the thickness goes, not quite as thick as my GM spray-in bed liner, but still very, very liberal amount sprayed into the back of this truck. Now, as you can see, they also coated the tie-down markers. Everything molded very nicely. You can see the shape and the lines of this bed very well now. And coming on around, everything's good. You still have access to your little plastic tabs if you need to install hooks all around the bed. They are not sprayed over. Very good quality, very great attention to detail. So, with this Line-X, like I said, it's almost half the price as the GM bed and protection package. But, of course, there are big differences. With the Line-X, all you're getting is, well, the bed protection, the Line-X. As with the GM, it is a whole complete package. So, it's just going to depend on what your needs are. Do you need those extra lights? I mean, they're nice, but trucks have been without bed lights for years now, decades. It's just a modern convenience. So, with the Line-X, like I said, you're looking at $550. Now, there are two different levels to this Line-X spray and bed liner. The first level is between $5 and $550, depending on the size of your bed. That is your basic Line-X, and it is not guaranteed to not turn a little lighter color over time. As with, if you step up and pay an extra $100, it's a step up in the Line-X, and it actually is guaranteed not to fade, not to change color over time. This, being a good old heavy-duty diesel work truck trim level, we just got the basic Line-X. Didn't see paying an extra $100 for it not to turn over time. This bed's going to get dirty. We're going to have pallets in the back of it. Actually, probably set this truck up for pressure washing here pretty soon. So there's no need with the pull shock and all that will be used in the pressure washing and house washing. There's no need to pay an extra $100 for something that's probably going to turn anyway because of the bleach content. So anyway, so that's Line-X bed protection, just to spray in, versus your good old factory GM bed and protection package. Not only do you get your spray and bed liner, but you get your lights also. The choice is up to you. Personally, if you find a truck on the lot and it does not have any bed protection in it, I wouldn't sweat it that much. Maybe cut a deal with the dealership to have it sprayed at maybe a discounted rate, or just take it yourself, spend $500-600 and go to your local Line-X dealer and have it sprayed. It was dry to the touch and hardened a couple hours after being sprayed, even though they said to allow 3 weeks. That's probably just a cure in the middle. But hey, it was pretty much ready to rock and roll the next day. So that is your Line-X versus your GM spray and bed liner. If you have any comments, questions, please post them down below. Yes, the 1,000 subscriber giveaway is still live. We have not hit 1,000 yet, but we are getting so very close. So please, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and maybe you will be the winner of that Craftsman Mechanics tool set. This is Kevin Walters with with Kevin's Auto Channel, and I hope you have a great rest of the day today. See you later. Now, do not forget about our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. You may say, well, what is the 1,000 subscriber giveaway? Well, I have set a goal on this channel to reach 1,000 subscribers as quickly as I can. To motivate you to hit that subscribe button down below, I am giving away this 159-piece Craftsman Mechanics tool set valued at almost $200. Now, the set that you are seeing here is my personal set. It is a great set of tools. If you are just getting started on project cars, tinkering around in your garage on the weekends, this is the perfect tool set for you. You have Allen wrenches, you have the multi-head screwdriver, you have the wrenches, metric, standard sockets, you have 3/8, half-inch, and quarter-inch drivers with the extenders with them. You can change your spark plugs. You can tune up your own car with this set. You can modify your car with this tool set. You can use this tool set around the house if you need to. Whatever you need it for, this is a Craftsman tool set. It has a lifetime warranty. And you could be the lucky winner of this tool set if you hit the subscribe button down below. Now, I know what you're saying, or you may be thinking, Kevin, I subscribed before you announced this giveaway. You're fine. You're grandfathered in. Anybody who is a subscriber, up to 1,000 subscribers, will be entered for a chance to win this 159-piece Craftsman tool set. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button down below because you could be the lucky winner.